I tried 3 different massagers. I'm going to tell you what I like about them, what I don't like about them. They are very similar, but there are some distinct differences that may make a choice for you which one would be better. I'm going to get into all of them. We got the Hei Chai mini massage gun right over here. We got the Hei Chai Super Mini, and then we have the Yoga DE. I'm going to go through each one of them, answer any questions you could possibly have about these, and then compare them all at the end. So let's take a look at this one first. This is going to be the Hei Chai mini right over here. Or yeah, this is the mini, and yeah, that's the super mini. So this is going to be the mini. Comes with all these pieces right over here. Very nice giftable box. I love this thing. So comes with this lanyard right over here. So if you want to hang it, this is awesome. Like you have 2 different ways to grip this. You could grip it just like this. So if you want to go like that, I'll show you exactly how it works in a second. Or you could do this and get more in there. In terms of battery life on this, this could charge in 33 minutes, and that's going to give you about 5 to 7 hours. Now, in terms of getting the heads and stuff in there, you're just going to push in. You're going to get 4 different pieces right over here. So this is going to be your typical ball. This is going to be the U shape. This is going to be the flathead, and then this is, they call it the bullet. Comes with this charger right over here. Charges right into here. 33 minutes gets you about 5 hours, and the controls are down here. So to push this in right over here, that's going to start it on speed 1. It has 5 different speeds right over here. So you kind of see how it's going, and that's on speed 1. We're going to go to speed 2. You can see it really gets in there. 3, 4, 5. Really, really easy to get it just like this. Like I'm saying, if you want to go like that, get it in there, or you could grip it just like this and get a little bit deeper. A lot of the massagers I've got in the past do not have the ability to do this, and I do really like that ability. Now to shut this off, we're just going to hit that right over there, and we're good to go. And you get this nice little carrying case as well right over there. Let's jump into the Super Mini next. This one is very similar to that one. Couple differences with this one. Again, comes in a nice giftable box. This one is the Super Mini, so it's a little smaller, but it's also fatter, and we'll kind of get into that in a second. So we got the ball piece right over here. We got the flat head, the bullet, and the U. We got the charger. These are really nice chargers. USB-C. This one has a little cover right over here that you could pop off, and that's where the charger will be. And then you just plug this into either a device that could charge this or a block. So to get this one on, same thing here. Both of these do come in different colors. If you're not feeling this color, that is fine. You got this carrying case right over here. For this one is going to take 2 hours to charge and get you about 5-ish hours. So this one takes a little longer to charge. We'll get into all that in a second. Really not an option to kind of hold it like we were just holding it. So for this one, works a little different. The button is right over here. You have to push down on this. This one also has 5 different speeds right over here. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3. So you can see it really gets in there. 4. And then 5. I would say the first one is a little bit kind of firmer. Has a little bit more juice, but this one you could see you could get all around. You could use this on all sorts of muscle groups, legs, back, calves, all that kind of stuff, kind of the neck area, shoulders, all that stuff. To tune that, you could just pause it. Now to shut this off, you're gonna have to hold this in and let it shut off, and then you're good to go. Let's jump into the last one, and then we'll go head to head on all of these. So this is going to be the Yoga GGE. This is going to be the biggest one in the group. This comes in a hardish, softish case. It's not like super hard, but it's also soft. This one right over here, we're going to have 5 different pieces. You got this little screw right over here. This is their version of the bullet. You got the flat, you got the U, and you got this circle one right over here, and this one. Comes with this charger as well. Don't use it because we have other chargers all around the house. To get this going, you'll notice this one is much bigger. So this one right over here has an on-off at the bottom. This is where you're going to charge it. So to get this one going, we're just going to turn that on, and that's going to activate this screen right over here. Now, to get it going, you're just going to hit the plus sign. This has 30 different modes. To get that going, you could go all the way up to 30. You'll see that's going like that. And you're getting like a nice massage right over there. That's on 12. Let's bump this all the way up to 30 so you can see that. So that's on kind of the 30. Surprisingly, this is just about the same pressure as the other two. Even though this one's much bigger, you might be able to reach down a little further with this one because the handle is longer. So just that is kind of one of the bigger differences. Let's kind of compare these guys head to head. So I would say out of all of these, so I would say this one right over here, or this one, or this one. So what would be the best fit? I think this one, to be honest, if you're kind of looking for the best of both worlds, I think this is the one I like the most, just because you have this option to get really in there. So if you're really trying to get in there, I would say having this to be able to grip it like this or this is really nice. Also, the battery life on this is great. You're going to get 5 to 7 hours after 33 minutes of charging. For this one right over here, you're going to get 2 hours. You need to charge it for 2 hours, and you're going to get about the same amount of time. So this one does take longer to charge. Both of these are great to travel. So if you're traveling, I would suggest either one of these. This one is a little bigger to take with you on the road, so just kind of note that. This one, if you need more of a grip, you want to grip it a little more, this one might be the right one for you. Can't go wrong with either one of these. I just really like the fact that this one is probably the most versatile. This is the smallest and lightest one as well. Great to travel with, super compact. These two come with the heads. This one comes with 6 heads, so a little bit more option here. I would say the pressure on all this probably gives you. I'd say this one's probably the most powerful, followed by this one, and then this one. The battery life on this one, you have to charge it for like an hour, and I think you get like 2 to 3 hours. So that's kind of the difference. Can't go wrong with either one of these guys. Just depends on what you want. I hope you found this video helpful and you get the right massager for you.